Hi, my name is Lim Aisin, and this is the presentation of TME 3413 project proposal. First of all, this is my group name, the 99 years, and it consists of 7 members, which included me, myself, Lim Aisin, Kiu Kahui, Ku Sing Rohaya binti Sinaro, Siani Ming, Muhammad Ifan Daniel, and Nurul Zahira binti Osman. In this project, my team is going to build a web application for a restaurant called Heirloom Noodle Corner. The web application will be mainly focused on food reservation services. The system will be used by customers and administrator, which is our client, Heirloom Noodle Corner. For the administrator, it will be authorized by the system, and the system will be made user-friendly and target all ages. About the company Heirloom Noodle Corner, it is located in Ipoh Perak, and the company is started since 25th of August 2005. Founder of the company is Mrs. Chiu Engke, while co-founder of the company is her husband, Mr. Chin Chi Kiang. This company is specialized in selling prawn noodles and kway teow soup with chicken shade only. This is the logo of Heirloom Noodle Corner, and this is the dishes of Heirloom Noodle Corner: prawn noodles and kway teow soup with chicken shade. The reason why we built the company a web application is because during the pandemic situation, the business experienced a great downhill, and during MCO, our client is forced to operate business using social media platform. But by using social media platform, here comes the problem where a lot of customers do not realize it, and even if the customer know, it is still a difficulty for the old ages customer. After MCO, our client can be back on their physical business, but the sales had dropped 60% every month. This is because SOP must be followed, and the restaurant is located at tourism area, and the area of the restaurant is not big, so customer will be limited. Other than that, our client also facing hard time to track down their previous sales record, and they have limited business marketing. Therefore, they need a web application to keep track of their sales record and commercialize their business. The objective of this project is to study and analyze existing problems faced by our client, design and implement the specification and requirements requested by the client, test and evaluate the pre-ready system in order to satisfy all needs and expectations of our client. Then lastly, to produce a whole new system and ensure that it is operating up to the expectation.
Hi, my name is Kyuka Hui. I'm going to present about project perspective and project scope. The purpose of developing Helium Noodle Corner web application is to simplify the ordering process and focus on food service. Besides, through this web application, Helium Noodle Corner can increase customer search and open up a new business environment. There are some functionality that provided by this web application system for the customer. View the noodle menu with its price, place an order for the dessert food, view the previous order record, view company background and information, view the contact information of Helium Noodle Corner, pay the order through online payment. Next, I will present the project scope, which includes system environment and system functionality. Helium Noodle Corner web application is an online ordering system. This web application mainly will be built using a software platform known as Wix. Other than Wix, our team also decided to use a source code editor such as Visual Code Studio. This is the system modular for web application. Menu and precision will display the type of noodle the company offers and display the price of noodle. The function of chat system is to show the detail of order placed by user, including the type, quantity, and price of the food. The checkout session will display user order details and also provide option of self-pickup or delivery service, and option of cash payment or online payment for user to choose. Payment session allow user to use online payment solution supported by company such as online banking, credit card, and PayPal. The proof of purchase session will send a receipt through email to customer. The function of notification is to notify the employee that there are new pending order.
Assalamualaikum and hi, it's me Rohaya. In this video, I'm going to talk about the software methodology that we decided to use for our project. As we are going to build a web application for Alum Noodle Corner, which is a restaurant, agile methodology is best suited for our project. We choose to develop this Alum Noodle Corner web application using a popular agile project management framework, which is Scrum. First, product owner. It represents the end customer or stakeholders are deeply participate in the development of project, bringing the product comprehensive overview and giving up-to-date reviews on the task completed after every sprint. Next is Scrum Master. Scrum Master is a facilitator who is responsible to eliminate all the obstacles that can hamper the progress of the work and making sure that Scrum is being followed. The Scrum Master for this project is Lim Aisin, our team leader. And then the team, a group of individuals like developers and testers that in charge of product development. Next, let's take a detailed look at each of the 5 events that consist in Scrum. First, sprint. It is an iteration in Scrum. Without sprint, there is no feedback loop allowing the team to make changes and there is no rapid release of high-value product. Second one is sprint planning. It's where the development team works with the product owner to take high-value work to create a new increment. Third one is daily scrum. Daily scrum is how the team gets together once per day for 50 minutes to talk about what work has been done and plan for the next 24 hours. The fourth one is a sprint review. Its results in feedback allows us to show work that was done within sprints to stakeholders to get their insight on where we might be able to make our product better. Next is sprint retrospective. It's where the Scrum team gets to talk about how the sprint went and discuss how to make the next sprint even better. Scrum team relies on 3 main artifacts to ensure the progress is smooth and on track. First, product backlog. The product backlog is an ordered list of all the necessities for product improvement. This list can include bugs need to be fixed, features that must be added, or project tasks that needed to be complete before project deadline. Sprint backlog. The sprint backlog is a living document that is regularly reviewed and updated, as there could be a possibility that slight changes will occur. Product increment. The product increment is the working version of the final product expected by the customer that will be delivered at the end of each sprint. It's a step towards a vision or goal of the project. Why do we choose Scrum? The reason our team choose Scrum approach is that work can be done simultaneously rather than sequentially.
My name is Nurul Zahira binti Osman and I will present about task allocation and contribution. The first one is Lim Aisin, our project manager. Her responsibilities are ensuring client satisfaction, organizing and monitoring project team, and gather all requirement needs from client. Next is Ko Zin Yin, our implementation manager and test manager. Her responsibilities are ensuring project milestones are met. She will also test the system functionality and usability and respond to any potential bug before handing over the system to the client. The third one is Shanimi, our planning manager, where she would monitor the team's activity and set the project planning timelines. Muhammad Irfan, our process manager, he will be liaising with client and team members to coordinate system trials. Next is myself, where I will be the quality manager that coordinates with our team manager to ensure the highest level of software quality. I also responsible to understand client needs and requirements. Next, we have Rohaya Sinaro, our support manager. She will be evaluating the technological needs of employees and customers. Lastly, Kyu Kahwe, our customer interface manager. She is responsible for client communication strategy. Thank
Good
you.
morning, madam. My name is Kusi and my matrix number is 66399. Today, I will present my parts for the team goals. Our team members have made a discussion with each other and go along with an agreement on the goals that want to be carried out through the project. Therefore, there are 4 goals as following. The first one, working together as a team and help each other to achieve the goal within the project duration. Second, the project that need documentation and report must be documentary for improvement and enhancement in the future needs. Third, have to be self-discipline and responsibility in doing their own tasks to ensure the project runs well. The last one, to elaborate a best quality project at the end of this semester that can mix the client's satisfaction. This is by gathering the client expectation and satisfy their qualification and suggest a solution from our team. That's all from me.
Hi,
Thank you.
my name is Muhammad Irfan, and I will talk about the expected results and documentations of our project. By the end of our project, our team will expect to build a software that fulfills the client's specification, developing a user-friendly, smooth functionality and a long-lasting web application, and create a user-friendly and well-designed web application for old and young users. Next, we will talk about the documentations that will be bundled up with the project. The system will be bundled with 4 main documentations. Mainly, the system proposal provides a general overview of the proposed system, the user manual, a document for users to learn the proposed system's basics, the software requirement specification, to detail about the functional and non-functional requirements of the proposed system, and system design specification, detailing the design structure of the proposed
Hello,
system.
madam. My name is Xiang Ming, matrix number 60645. I will present for the part project planning. At the beginning of the project, one day have been used to identify client. In this project, we have identified Hello Noodles Corner as our project client. We need to collect the information and requirement from client. We use 2 days to collect. For the following 3 days, we will need to analyze the information and requirement. We spent 10 days to assign tasks between project members, identify problem statement, goals, and objectives, documented the project proposal, and submit project proposal version 1. Present the proposal via video record and spend another 6 days to modify the proposal and resubmit. Project member meeting for the system prototype. After meeting, spend 22 days to design and develop the system prototype and 3 days to test the system prototype. After the system prototype done, documented the initial report and will have presentation and demonstration of the system. Modify, testing, and maintenance the system, final report documentation and will submit, final project presentation and demo the system, finally project closure and handover to client. Thank you.